Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and today we have another unboxing of House of Suppliez, and this is for the month of August. I do have two of their subscriptions. I have the nail art and the icy box, and I believe my previous one was actually the icy box because I did receive some charms, and in this particular one I didn't. So I'm pretty sure this is the nail art one. So here, that is what I'm showing you, and this is for the month of August. It's just that I decided to get the subscription towards the end of last month, so it just recently arrived today, this one in particular. So I was super excited to get on and just show you everything that I got. So here, starting off, we got some really nice Halloween stickers, which I was really happy to get a little sheet of Halloween stickers since we are almost close to that time, which is my absolutely favorite time of the year. Has definitely has to be Halloween. Absolutely love it. So next I'm going to show you something that I wasn't really sure of what it was, but I received it anyways. The other type of lettering is in another language, so I don't know what it means, but let me know down below in the comments if you guys know what this is. I did open it and it looks like, I don't know if this is like a builder gel. I did try it. You guys will see an example of what I tried it as, but it didn't really work for that. Like, it stuck on, but you could easily remove it. I thought it was like maybe like a rhinestone glue or something, so I tried to put like female slices in there, but I'm not 100% sure what this is used for. I don't know if this is some sort of builder gel. It does have like a minty type of a smell to it. So let me know down below in the comments if you received this in the past or if you own this and you know the use of this, because I do not know what this is for and I'm just curious about what it is. So yeah, I did end up showing you guys a little example. I thought it was probably like a rhinestone glue or something like that, but like I mentioned, you were able to remove it very easily, but it does cure at the same time. That's why I'm kind of wondering, maybe it's a builder gel, who knows. But then again, it is a little pot, so honestly I have no clue or idea what this is, but let me know down below if you guys have a clue or maybe think of what it can be, because I definitely do not know. So yeah, here I'm just going to briefly get some stuff together just to show you guys me just testing it out. And I honestly thought at first it was a rhinestone glue, or maybe it is and it's just not strong enough. I really don't know what it is, honestly. I have no idea, but I will just let you guys see what I do here. So I just grabbed literally a box of foils that I had, not foils, I apologize, but a box of female slices that I had, and then I just applied it on the nail really quickly and then cured it. Like I mentioned, it does cure. So I don't know if that's the point of it or not, I'm not sure. But yeah, here I'm just gonna show you what I am doing. So next we're moving on to this beautiful double-sided brush, and I was super excited to receive these goodies. Like, I literally have no complaints thus far as to this House of Suppliez subscription. It's absolutely stunning. Literally the things that I've been getting, like, I'm so happy about, because for $12.99 you just can't go wrong. So look how beautiful this detailed brush is. It does bring two detailed brushes, one on each side, and they're just absolutely stunning. Not gonna lie, this is probably my most fancy brush that I own. It's so beautiful, and I love how the aesthetic of it is just very elegant, very beautiful, and it definitely looks like a really great quality. So I cannot wait to test it out in the near future when I'm doing some nail art. This is for more like detailed nail art, so it's absolutely amazing that they included that in this package. I'm honestly so happy and just really glad that I decided to get the subscription. I don't know if every month is going to be the same. Obviously, maybe some months I'll be disappointed, but it was definitely got me by surprise because I was really excited to receive these. items. So here I was super happy once again, and I received another acrylic powder, and this is an F225, and it is so beautiful. Of course, I will show you guys the swatch, and unfortunately you couldn't see the process of me swatching it because this phone just kept doing the most, and it kept like getting out of the video that I was recording, and it was just super annoying and complicated. So I was having a bit of technical difficulties while recording this video, so I apologize for that, and that's why you guys don't really get to see me swatching the actual swatch of me applying the acrylic powder onto the swatch, but it's okay. You know, like I mentioned, I was having some difficulties recording. So as you guys can see, you get so much product, and it's like these people read my mind, or like they like personally customize these packages for me, just because I absolutely love all things glitter, especially knowing that I have these two huge acrylic glittery glitters. I mean, I don't know what's wrong with me in this voiceover. I'm making so many mistakes. I don't know, maybe it's because it's late night, I'm not sure. And usually I never even like upload or film on Mondays, but I decided to today, and I apologize for that. But what I meant was, I am just super happy that they sent me over another glittery acrylic powder, because I absolutely love all things glitter. Absolutely my favorite. And I am using the brush that came in my other unboxing that I did of House of Suppliez. So here I'm just using the Ina Couture monomer, and then I'm going in, and like I mentioned, it's gonna get cut off, but you guys will see the swatch here. It looks absolutely beautiful. I absolutely loved it, and I ended up just making this video a 2-in-1 because it was going to be really short if I didn't, and I didn't want a video to be like 4 or 5 minutes, so I decided to incorporate a 2-in-1 video by creating a nail set with the things that I got in this month's nail subscription. So I hope you guys like that part and enjoy it as well. But here I'm just showing you up close the nail swatch, and I thought it was super beautiful. Let me know down below what you guys thought about this nail subscription for the month of August. I absolutely loved everything. Like I mentioned, I was good just with the acrylic powder, because the acrylic powder itself is like $13 already on their website, and mind you, I only paid $12.99 for the subscription. So honestly, I'm really happy. So next, we're moving forward with the nail tutorial portion of this video. Thank you so much if you're still watching. I really appreciate it. It means so much to me. So here I'm just going in with some base coat, and I'm applying it to my desired nails, and then I'm going to go ahead with these stickers and do the lazy girl method and encapsulate them from underneath. So I like to use base coat to adhere that, and then I'm just going to do whatever placing that makes me happy, and then after I will show you guys what they are looking like, and then we're going to get straight into applying the acrylic powder, and I hope you guys enjoy. So here I'm just going to start applying the acrylic powder, and I really honestly enjoyed working with this number 4 brush. I don't know if this is meant for like, I don't even know if you're able to use this type of small brush for acrylic. Let me know down below if it doesn't matter and you're able to, because I definitely felt more comfortable using this number 4. It was really tiny, and I just feel more comfortable applying tiny beads of acrylic at a time. It just makes me feel more comfortable, since I don't really know how to use acrylic, and I am still like, I'm not gonna say I'm learning. I haven't really watched videos on it or anything like in depth, like step by step, but I'm just trying my best along the way, because I definitely want to get into, you know, expanding my knowledge on different variety of, you know, nail systems, I guess you can say. So yeah, I absolutely love this brush to work with because I like working with small beads. So yeah, here after I am done, and I'm sorry, but here I forgot, and I'm just showing you me placing on my peel off coat. Well, actually I didn't incorporate it, but I just showed you my peel off coat that I apply on the nails because I won't be using this nail set. So here I'm just continuing on, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply them to my nails and just press them down for a couple seconds. And I like to start from the free edge of the nail all the way up, just because by the time I apply it to my actual nail, the acrylic is still wet and I'm able to adhere it onto my nail plate. If not, it will be dry by then, and you know, it won't really work out. So that is just something that I like to do, and I definitely love using these nail stands just because it just makes my life a lot easier. And it's definitely, I always rave about how this is definitely my favorite nail stand to work with. So yeah, here that is what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm really enjoying just having fun with acrylic. I absolutely love all the combinations of like different acrylics that they have, especially when they have like chunky glitters and like nail sequences in there, like glitter sequences. I absolutely love it. I actually went on this website today. I think it's called Nail Affair. I don't really know 100%, so don't quote me on it, but I went to this website and they had the most amazing and most gorgeous acrylic powders, and it was like, the collection was called like Hawaii or something. OMG, it was so beautiful. Like, I think I'm gonna go and get it because it was so beautiful. I absolutely loved their acrylic powders. So beautiful, that particular collection. Like, I loved it. So yeah, here I'm just continuing on, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Let me know down below your thoughts and opinions on today's tutorial, and let me know what was your favorite item in the House of Suppliez nail subscription. So these are what the nails ended up looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I did apply the cuticle oil and top coat off camera, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.